So I have done my form. I'm all ready to go ahead and start making my comic. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my title slide. I do that by coming right here to this little T in a box. This is the text box. I want to create a text box to put my book title in. So I click on it and then I get this little cross and I come down to the slide, to the square, and I draw my box. Then I type the title of the book and the author as well. And you'll notice that my words don't exactly fit and they don't look that great right now, but I'm not going to worry about that at the moment. I'm also going to go ahead and put my name on it down here. And now I'm ready to start my comic. So my first panel, this is my sentence and my description of what happens at the beginning of the book. Notice right down here, I have a little text box where I can insert my sentence, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I say Katniss volunteers as a tribute in place of her sister. That's my description of what happens at the beginning of the book, and now I want to illustrate it. So I come over here to this little square. This is the image square. I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to click Search the Web. And what this does is this lets me search Google Images for certain pictures. It does limit it to stuff that is copyrighted for fair use. So what I'm going to do, I know that Katniss has a bow and arrow. That's one of her distinguishing features. So I'm going to type in girl with bow and arrow and see if there's anything that I can come up with that I like. I look at all these images. I think I like this one. I'm going to use this one. So I click on it and it selects it, and then I click Insert. And notice when it comes up it's way too big, so I come down here to the bottom corner and I drag up to make it fit. I need it to fit in one of these little boxes. I'm going to put it right here. And then because this is the comic and I want it to represent the book and also be a little bit fun, I'm going to come up here back to Insert and I'm going to click Shape. And I'm looking for callouts. Callouts look basically like the writing in cartoons. I'm going to click right here where it says rectangular. Then I'm going to draw one right up here by where it would be if it were a speech bubble in a regular cartoon. And I'm going to say, I'll save you. Because that sounds like something Katniss would say. And I'll resize it to make it fit. And now I've finished my first panel. I can go ahead and do the same thing with the next two panels to represent what happens in the book. When I'm all done, one of the things I'm going to want to do is come back here and make this look a little bit nicer. I can center the text by highlighting it in the text box, coming right here and clicking center. I can change my font by highlighting the words I want to change and changing the font to something else. I can make things smaller by shrinking down the number. So there's a lot of things you can do to make it look more appealing. Alright, have fun.